हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्कार। तो आज की वीडियो में आई वांट टू थैंक यू ऑल बिकॉज रिसेंटली वी रीच्ड अ माइलस्टोन ऑफ 500,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स ऑन यूट्यूब एंड ये 5 लाख सब्सक्राइबर्स पहुंचने में नेचुरली एक फीलिंग ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड आता है बिकॉज कुड नॉट हैव बीन पॉसिबल विदाउट योर लव एंड योर फेथ एंड योर ट्रस्ट इन अस. So we will be doing a giveaway where each and every one who is participating will get something, but more on that in a minute. When we first started this channel, मतलब me and शशांक सर से पहले भी जब मतलब मैं सिर्फ वीडियोस बना रहा था एक कमरे में बैठ के, तो ऐसा ही लगता था कि भाई ठीक है, बस मतलब मेरे पास यूपीएससी का एक्सपीरियंस है एंड इफ आई कैन शेयर दैट एक्सपीरियंस व्हिच वुड हेल्प समबडी इन देयर जर्नी, व्हाई नॉट. फ्रॉम देयर to now where we have enabled more than 300 selections in the last 5 years, to which almost 50 are IAS and IPS officers. Well, that is something that is just, something that gives me a lot of satisfaction. And more than that, I think I am proud of the fact that we have been able to build a team and an ecosystem जहाँ पे almost every year जो serious aspirants रहते हैं civil services की तैयारी के लिए, all of them have somewhere or the other been associated with us, either through our courses or through videos या mentorship के through, क्योंकि we keep doing these sorts of things where our aim is to just give out as much value as we can. And none of this would have been possible without our very talented team, which is made up of multiple past rankers, ex-IAS officers, people ex-working in the water ministry, professors, doctors, all of them who have directed their energy towards making your UPSC journey simpler, to making your UPSC journey a success. And ऐसी जब एक टीम आपके पास होती है जो कि मतलब इतनी focused and organized है towards such a singular goal, it's very hard to beat that combination. And with that, we hope to continue giving value to UPSC aspirants, क्योंकि value देना हमारे core में है, क्योंकि हम चाहते हैं कि भाई जितनी हम आपकी मदद कर सकें at each and every stage of the exam, prelims हो, mains हो, interview हो, हम करते चलेंगे. Now coming to the giveaway, I want to keep this short and simple. Giveaway हमारा बहुत simple सा रहेगा. Anybody and everybody who participates in it, participation के लिए you will be asked to fill a form in the video description. Form आप 31st January तक fill कर सकते हो. On the 31st of January, we will be announcing the winners. So till that time that video is made, जो भी लोग form भर रहे हैं, they will be considered for the giveaway. But there are two parts to it. One part is anybody and everybody who's participating in this will get access to our UPSC prelims CSAT का test series, because this is a test series worth 2,000 rupees that we want to give away for free. क्योंकि CSAT एक बहुत बड़ा ट्रबल एरिया होता है बहुत से लोगों के लिए. उनको नहीं समझ आता है कि भाई कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. तो एक फ्री वर्कबुक तो हम बहुत टाइम से देते ही आ रहे हैं, जहाँ पे थ्योरी अगर आपको नहीं समझ आ रही तो दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन रेफर टू. बट बियॉन्ड दैट CSAT इज अ लॉट अबाउट प्रैक्टिस, एंड प्रैक्टिस के लिए मटीरियल की कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए. दैट इज व्हाट वी बिलीव. So therefore, a free CSAT test series for anybody who registers for this giveaway. But beyond that, the top 50 candidates will also be given 2 books, the Indian Economy Handbook and the Answercraft Workbooks, which is a bundle of actually 5 books. So you'll get 6 books. So who are these 50 people? We will declare on the 31st of January. Till then, you can fill the form and you will be considered a part of the giveaway. Once again, thank you all. आप लोगों ने हम पे जो trust दिखाया, जो faith दिखाई, that has enabled us to do all that we have done in the last 5 years. And we hope to continue doing that for the next 5 years and 10 years and even beyond that. Thank you all and best of luck on your UPSC journey.